LSI Floors are engineered for durability in high-traffic commercial applications, for structural integrity that stays put for the duration of its life, and for a high rating of slip resistance ensuring safety in public spaces. Here is a short video to show you how it's made. Here you see the calendaring space, where pallets of raw materials as well as finished vinyl sit, patiently waiting at the beginning or end of the calendaring process. The calendaring process can be seen here. The vinyl that makes up the tile or the ingredients are mixed and later kneaded in the extruder, all to be put through steel rollers which compress the vinyl into a thin piece. Print film is stocked here for storage. As long as there are humans to stand, there will be a need for these flooring products. Here, an employee assists the process of layer cutting, as the wear layer and the print layer are cut in preparation for the next step. The cut-to-size raw materials are then delivered to the pressing machine, stacked and pressed into raw slabs for further processing. Next, they are taken out and disassembled accordingly. After the hot press, the embossing plates are separated from the newly pressed raw slab. At the end of the timed pressure cycle, the slabs of tile are removed from the embossing plates that give texture on the surface, as well as the layers that give texture to the backing. The annealing process begins with immersion of a full slab in hot water baths before any processing is done. The slabs move slowly from hot to progressively cooler tanks of water. This process makes the slab dimensionally stable at 72 degrees Fahrenheit and 50% relative humidity. Once cut into wood strip planks or stone square tiles, they are conditioned to remain dimensionally stable within a built environment. During the annealing process and after fan air drying, the slabs are placed onto drying racks. This is to allow any residual moisture to evaporate in the conditioning room. After the annealing process takes place, the sheets are stacked on the drying racks, which is the apex of the conditioning process. Tile conditioning takes place in this room. The temperature of 72 degrees Fahrenheit, along with a 50% humidity index, allows for the flooring to remain internally and externally optimized. The key to this application is the amount of polyurethane you put on per square meter, as well as how you apply and cure it to the surface. At LSI Floors, we apply 2 coats. Our first coat is applied and partially cured. The second coat is applied and is fully cured along with the first coat. We apply up to 3 times more polyurethane per square meter than most of our competition. How can we apply so much coating? With the latest in UV application and curing technology, cool lamps. These lamps bounce UV light off a special refractor lens and then onto the surface to be cured. This process keeps the slab cooler and allows the slab to stay longer under the 2-stage cool lamps. With a thicker coating, we can apply our glass bead slip-resistant polyurethane wear layer. Even under 10W30 motor oil testing, this coating excels at preventing slips and falls. Die cutting occurs at a separate machine where employees prepare and set up the material to be cut precisely and accurately so as to maintain the integrity of both the material and the design. Different machines are used for different sized planks. To give the appearance of a hardwood floor, some designs call for a beveled edge. These machines bevel the sides and the ends of the wood plank. From here, it is boxed and shipped to our extensive warehouse in Toronto. Connect with us to experience the photorealistic imagery, color, and texture that is LSI, because seeing really is believing.